Are you looking to market your API to other agents without incurring the costs of integration and maintenance? Sell easy to set up travel software to agents with best deals and numerous different tools including OBT, B2B, CBT, WordPress plugins, white label solution and many more. B2C portal. Allow your agents to have a private branded portal to book tickets and hotel rooms using your API. Cross-platform solutions. Offer a solution that works on any platform. Maximize your reach from big screen TVs to handheld devices. B2B solution. Allow your partners to employ agents by using our B2B solution. Affiliate solution. Let your partners sell affiliate programs to their customers with ease. Corporate booking tool. Authorize your agents to create a working, transparent, and hassle-free relationship with their corporate clients. Mobile apps. Allow your partners to sell a personalized experience to their customers by creating an app based on your API. Complete infrastructure. Everything you need to get your business up from front end, mid-office to super admin panel. Manage your API distribution with comprehensive reporting to monitor your business. API Explorer and detailed documentations to make the integration easy for your developers. Tools like OBT, B2B, CBT, plugins to cater your services to different business models. It comes with integrated e-ticketing, queue and funds management system for smooth operations. Would you like to find the solution that best suits your business? Speak to our experts now. Drop your questions in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for our latest updates. Thanks for watching.